Dashboards are at the center of analytics, collections of charts and tables that display key data about your organization. But in the increasingly complex world of business, it's no longer enough to just present the data. You need to use it to tell a story that will engage, motivate, and persuade. The solution? SAP Analytics Cloud Stories, which provide everything you need to transform your data into compelling dashboards, constructed across multiple pages so that each page focuses on a specific collection of visualizations and insights to support decision-making and drive action. You can jumpstart the storytelling process by taking advantage of templates with pre-configured page layouts or downloading line of business and industry examples from the content network. Pages can be canvases, meaning that you can place every element exactly where you want. Or responsive, so that the layout automatically adjusts depending on whether you're using a browser or a mobile device. As you add widgets to your pages, you can quickly connect them to your data by selecting an existing model based on live or imported data. Alternatively, you can add data to the whole story so that it's available to map to new widgets or link to other data sources. In addition to choosing existing models, you can also import local data sources like CSV files or spreadsheets and prepare the data directly in your story, or use an existing data connection to import data from sources such as Google Drive or OData services. Once a widget is mapped to a data source, you can start configuring the chart or table using the right side panel by choosing which measures and dimensions you want to visualize. Charts give you a powerful way to visualize data with a wide range of customization options, such as blending the data from different data sources by linking on a shared dimension, changing the chart type, sorting or ranking members, adding variants, and applying conditional formatting thresholds. If you need help creating your charts, you can use additional AI tools, such as Just Ask to generate visualizations based on natural language queries that you can then copy into your stories. You can also choose to visualize your data in tables, which allow you to perform planning activities directly in your stories, or view location-enriched data in geomaps. If none of the out-of-the-box widgets meet your needs, you can create custom widgets using JSON and JavaScript and add them to your stories. You can also use advanced mode to take advantage of additional widget types and apply scripting to define more complex interactions. To focus on specific values or dimension members, you can apply filters to individual widgets, add input controls that filter multiple related widgets on a page, or create filters that apply to the entire story. Once you've spotlighted the right data, you can flesh out the story you're telling by adding images, text, and other design elements, and then customize the formatting to match your organization's branding by changing the styling for individual widgets, modifying predefined format preferences in the story settings, or defining and applying themes using CSS. Finally, you can share your story with colleagues so they can interact with and explore it, either in full or with additional filters as a bookmarked view. Present it in stakeholder meetings. Generate a short video to highlight key data, or export it as a snapshot of your story insights. So if you're ready to tell the story of your data, find out how SAP Analytics Cloud Stories can help.